your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Andrew here with us now, and this is who referred Martin in here. This is his brother. Payback's your hell, Andrew. All right, so I'm going to have you close your eyes for me and bend your head forward and backwards. So Andrew will be your second ring dinger of the day, in neutral. Take a deep breath in with your eyes closed and let all your air out. And the reason that we have the patients close their eyes is because that way the posture actually gravitates towards the true spinal biomechanics of the spine without the eyes putting you in a visual, three-dimensional spatial orientation. And I get a true picture of his biomechanics in his spine, all the way from his head down to his pelvis. Okay, still sleeping on your side, I see. Now, when you open your eyes, take a look in the mirror. Okay, go ahead. See, your head's still a little bit forward. See how you're kind of twisted this way?
Yes.
That's because you're sleeping that way.
Yeah,
yep.
Sure.
And I bet you see how you're less room over here than you have over here?
Yeah.
Your pelvis and low back have moved over to the left of center while your neck's moved to the right, but your head's kind of tilted off to the left and turned to the left. So you got a lot of torsion right up here. It's probably where you feel most of your pain up here.
Yeah, I want to
pop all the time. Yeah. We're going to do that right now. All right, so let's lay you down here on this table here, and we'll get the second ring dinger in today. You guys decide which is the best ring dinger of these two brothers. Okay. The Andrew, he's pro at this already. He's already getting in position. You want to do this too, Martin? You want to do this? Pull his neck. Andrew's getting a little worried now.
I might have stepped on the plug because I'm
still did.
over here.
Well, here, turn it back on.
I can't see because I'm holding the camera.
Okay. You turn off the power. Okay.
Am I good?
Yeah, you're good. I just had to turn the power back on.
I was trying to do it from a different view.
You come around this way.
Okay, I will.
Just let your legs relax.
Yeah.
There you go.
To finish.
Okay.
Coming up.
There, yeah. Okay, so see, we're doing his pre-reflexes, and you can see this right one's a little bit lower than the left one. Do you feel the difference?
Yeah.
It's a little more on that side than it is the right. Okay, so keep your teeth together. Take a real deep breath in.
Yeah.
You feel that all the way down?
Oh, already.
Yep. Okay, now watch this though. Just relax.
All right.
Now see there?
Yeah,
Look how much that increased that.
Yeah.
That's in a split second. That's how fast the nerves work. There we go.
Lickety split.
That's right. What's that
That's
movie?
the right.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
You see that movie?
Oh, no. I probably I just don't remember none of it. Wow.
Yeah. You needed that today.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let me help you up sideways here. Here we go.
That's our days of quoting movies.
Yeah. Renee and I are movie buffs. About any line out of any movie we can get. Okay, let's go on. You tell me first with your head up in here for me, please, Andrew. Okay. Now see, I'll show you what I was talking about with him. See how his left leg's short right now? Look right here where his sole meets his heel. It's about a ½ inch short. Now as I bring him up, see it get even? That tightens up in your low back, doesn't it, Andrew? Yep. So he has a positive knotless end deer field on the left. That's a Thompson technique reading. So we're going to adjust his left SI joint first as well. Okay. Now I'm going to adjust his sacrum right in the center. And now the right SI joint. There we go. Okay. Tighten this part up here. There we go. Better. That's L5. There's L4. There's L3. There's a lot more pressure than what it looks like on YouTube, isn't it, Andrew? Yep. I get a lot better bone set with this table people want to know what the advantage of using this table is, and it's because I get a much greater additional shear force whenever the table drops, which keeps the bones moving in that same line of direction. It's the law of physics. An object in motion tends to stay in motion. There's L5 again, L4, L3. I already got L2 and L1, so we're going to move up into his thoracics now. Nice and easy. There you go. That's it. That's the one. Might want to get a little closer and get those. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Excellent.
You talking to me?
Yes. Okay. Boy.
Quiet.
Okay, we got all those. Okay, hang on one second here. Look at the difference there. See how it's even now? Now, this should feel a little bit easier to you, Andrew.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, better.
No problem.
Yeah, all right. So you're the lucky Turbonator winner this Some people laugh, some people cry, some people do both. That was good though. Let's slow down this way a little bit. You definitely know those muscles been worked on, don't you? Okay. So now we're going to adjust his cervical spine, P to A. Yep. Just like that. Yeah, C5, C6. And then we're going to work our way down here. C7, perfect. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. Good job. Oh, you're going to feel a lot better here in a few minutes. Let's slide you down this way just a little bit. There you go. Perfect. Good job. Okay. Now with this adjustment, I'm actually lifting the head up and then rotating it backwards so that we can reinstill the cervical curve or lordosis in the neck. That's it. Good. Now let's slide you straight down about an inch right there. And put your arms out like this for me, Andrew. Okay. Put your shoulders, your clavicle. That's your collarbone. There's your ribs. Now let me tighten this up a little bit for you. You got a little weight on you. There we go. Okay, good. Just breathe and relax. There you go. Do you feel that in your knee and your back? Okay, good. Yeah, I'm knocking your pins out. There you go. Good. All right. Let me help you up in this face towards Renee there. Here's your pin.
Oh, thank you.
All right. You're drawing a big old mustache on my picture out there. Boy, now. There we go. Okay. That was good. When you relax for the adjustments, they go a lot better, and you're doing a good job of that today. Perfect. Good job. Yeah, I don't know who's getting the most workout here.
He's happy, huh?
Well, I get a pretty good workout here every day. There we go.
He's a younger brother. He got all the milk.
You got all the scraps, huh?
We were full good, Andy.
Yeah, but I didn't finish.
That's it. Okay, let's take a look at you in the mirror here again. All right. Now, let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me again. That's already better range of motion. Now back to neutral. Yeah, look how your head's up now.
Oh, yeah.
See? More centered. Let's pull these guys up and back for me. Flare these like that. Now I'm going to bring your head straight back and looking straight up. We're going to adjust your atlas right here and also right there. your traps right here. Okay, now you can relax. And let's have you flex forward and backwards again. This should feel a little smoother this time. Now neutral. Take a look now.
Yeah.
You're right down the gut everywhere. See how your hands are more at your sides too, as
Yeah.
opposed to being out in front of you?
Yeah.
Cause this is how we get when we get, you know, bent over all day long.
I'm
Start
not
walking around like old men.
come out of love, you know.
Yeah. Good man. So Andrew, you referred your family in here and we thank you for that. That's
No
the
problem.
highest compliment anyone can pay us.
Yes, sir.
And thank you for letting us do videos on both you guys. And this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson and Renee, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see you next time.